Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, you've guessed it, we're in downtown Paphos. We're at the bottom end of Bar Street, and Receiver LaBouffe is monkeying around as usual. Have you lost your voice?
Oh, have you finished? Wow. Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again. I was a bride, then I was a groom. I was changing myself. But
she's transing. Right, stick with us. We're going to get you down to the Paphos Promenade. But before we go, I think Miss Receiver LaBouffe wants to monkey around even more.
you know, these two, the couple, is very nice. The couple. If you come here and I will be here, oh, you want to check?
Yes, but it's very difficult to film it.
Yeah, I know.
There we are. There's the head on the block, and there's the female on the block. Hello. Hello. Ready. Right, stick with us. We're going to get down to the Paphos Promenade. So we're at the end of Bar Street. You've got the Alconi restaurant over there. If you go that away and you keep going, there's a nice Georgian restaurant called the Hidden Cave, and then across the road to that is the Sofiana Resort and Spa. A very, very popular place indeed, and we know Mr. Chocolate Lover is staying there as we speak.
I will go and try some Georgian hinkali, by the way.
A bit later. Stick with us. That's Bar Street, if you storm up there, and that's the Robin Hood. And then just over here to our right hand side is the oldest traditional taverna in the whole of Paphos district, and it's called the Democritus Restaurant. And as the night ramps up, it's going to get busier and busier and busier.
It must be very busy.
Yes, it
All
gets
tables
absolutely
could be reserved.
Yeah, you'll find a lot of tables in here, especially on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday nights, are reserved, and it's going to get absolutely packed. They're going to have Greek dancing, that's for sure. That's the live stage over there. So there's a lot of things going on in this restaurant. Very, very popular restaurant indeed. That's the boss man over there himself. There we are. You all right? Good. So you're going to get a great, great meal, because we've been here a few times, and we know a lot of people have been here, and they do like the food, and they also like all of the monkeying around and all the dancing. And then after the live performance, they play music and they encourage you to dance around. And on certain nights, they even have plate smashing, that's for sure. You see?
It's very important when people greeting and meeting you with a great smile and with a lovely, arms like that. This is the first you can see. And then the loveliest food, music, something exciting or new for you.
Yeah, it is a very nice restaurant. And if you are going to come at the lower end of Bar Street, the Plage is down there if you understand, to the main promenade. It's a great restaurant. You'll know it when you find it, because at about 8 o'clock at night there's always a lot of music playing, and it's very, very busy indeed. Very, very friendly staff. As you can see, that was the boss opening his arms and wanting to give us a hug. And then just over here, what have you got, receiving? Right. There's some bollards. They were there to prevent you from parking, but as we can see, it didn't work very well. There we are. There we are. They're back in action. Not going to stop you parking, though, are they? No.
Until I'm here.
Here you go. Right. On that side over there now, what we've got is a great, great themed bar, and it's called the Flintstones Cocktails, soft drinks, hard drinks, coffees, that sort of thing. And then just over here, again, getting ready for a busy night. And its slogan is, "Come hungry, leave happy. When you are here, you are family. Good food, good feeling." And it is a very, very good restaurant indeed. And one of their specialities is that. So that's what we call souvla. So that can either be lamb, pork or beef, and that's how it's presented to you, and that's how it's served. Done on a charcoal grill, obviously, and then it's put onto this skewer, brought to your table with either potatoes, rice, veg or chips, or perhaps a combination of all. And it's a very reasonable price of $12.99, because that's quite a nice restaurant in a good area of town, that's for sure. That could be our next car, Receiver LaBouffe, because I do quite like that.
And me too.
Especially in the white. It doesn't look gangster-ish, it just looks nice. So I do fancy one of those. Right, we've gone a bit fast. Yes. So again, when you are wandering around these streets, some of the streets like the promenade are closed off at night, so cars can't run you over. But then some of these side streets are open, so please, please be extra careful, especially if you had a little bit of a tipple, because there are cars coming from everywhere. One of my favourite kiosks in this area, I often pop in there for a can of Coke, and of course it sells all sorts of gifts and inflatables and anything you can think of. Pop your head in there, Receiver LaBouffe.
From which side?
There we are.
You know what? I think
It's a bit dirty. There we are.
I need 3 hours
To get in.
machine,
Yes,
me
to wash
in the
it.
washing machine,
Yes.
and then chlorine for 2 more hours.
I think it sat outside for quite a long time, and of course there's a lot of dust in the atmosphere. It's got quite dirty, shall we say. Anyway, just coming over on the right hand side now, that is the Maverous leather shop, a very, very upmarket. I'm not going to say gift shop, but obviously it does sell gifts, from wallets to belts to handbags to suitcases and that sort of thing. And again, if you go in there, the quality is very, very good indeed. So don't expect it to be cheap, but the product you're going to get is going to be very, very good. That's for sure.
And I really love those trees, by the way.
There we
those
are.
trees.
So
The
she likes those trees.
The white
And
ones.
they are very, very beautiful
I
indeed.
really love it.
Yes, very, very nice. And it makes it look absolutely beautiful. Gives you that little bit of shade from the heat and the sun at the peak of the day. And of course, it does look beautiful. And they last in Cyprus, if you understand. It stays in pollen, in bloom for a long, long time, because obviously our summer season starts off very, very early, should we say, at the end of March and goes all the way through probably till the end of October. We have a very, very long summer season indeed. So if you are looking for someone to come on your holiday, Paphos could be that perfect place for you. Because, well, as I keep telling you, the sky is blue, the sea is blue, I'm dressed head to toe in blue. All it's actually missing is...
You,
So, get yourself
on a canoe
on a big bird
or a big bird,
and
start paddling like crazy.
There we go. We're mucking up the lines, that's for sure. We are about to get to the blue Mediterranean Sea, and it is a great, great view tonight indeed. There's a big boy out swimming out in the sea there, and that big boy is the Ocean Vision, so wait for it. Here it comes. You've got some jet skis out there. You've got lots of people swimming as well. And then just over yonder, you've got a yellow boat, which is the semi-submersible boat known as the Yorkie. Or Zorkie, is it? Zorkie. Is that how you say it? Zorkie. Zorkie, that's how you say it. So that's a semi-submersible, semi-sort of submarine fun boat. And when you're in the lower deck, you are fully submersed into the water. And the idea is you get to see what's going on beneath you, obviously. And they take you out to an area where the turtles are having a paddle. And then the big boat over there, that's the Ocean Vision. So that's going out on a party night. And it will be the crescendo of a fireworks display, because tonight is Friday night. And there's jet skiing going on, and there's paddling and swimming and all sorts of things. And out there now is the head of Paphos Harbour, and those golden rays of the sun are still up there. It's been a beautiful, beautiful day today, that's for sure. We'll see if we can get a weather forecast off Ochin. We'll see the
I think the weather today, Mr. Dave Jonah, hello everybody, and hello yourself, Mr. Dave Jonah. Today is a very nice and pleasant weather to be outside. Especially today, we think that the weather temperature has gone a bit down, and our glasses are not gone somehow
They haven't
very
missed
wet.
it up. Not missed it up, yeah.
Yes. You call it spunky, the glasses.
She's confusing her English. I apologise. Right, come on, Chrissy LaBouffe.
Yeah.
Misting.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's very nice atmosphere.
Yes.
I would
There's
say.
a slight breeze, as you can see from Gracieviar's head and from those flags. So that's chilling us down as well. The humidity is a little bit high, to be honest, but the temperature's gone down to about 27, 28, which, to be honest, that's absolutely perfect. Now, Gracieviar LaBouffe, this video is going to come to an end, so let's give the people that special, special little treat. Which one are you going to do? The leg splitter or that one? Nope, she's going for the leg splitter. So stick with us, because this tickles the life out of me, and I hope it does that of you. Wait for it, here it comes.
This is easy and not, by the way, but I feel like the stretching, the big stretching in my legs, and you feel like you will never go alive from this.
Right, keep going. We're going for the rear end view, because that's what it's all about. Look at that. It doesn't get much better than that. So you've got a great, great blue Mediterranean Sea and a blue, blue sky, and you've got the rear end of watching Gracieviar LaBouffe. And tonight she does look absolutely beautiful. Very radiant, very shiny in silky trousers and a silky top with that nice glow of red, that's for sure. A bit ravishing. You look ravishing, not rubbishing.
Yeah.
Let's go and try that one over there, and then we'll have a nice big goodbye.
Yeah. I like this.
But she does like that one, that's for sure. There we are. We should call that the Gracievi alla Bouffe workout. Go on, Gracievi, put a bit of effort into it.
I think this equipment very soon will fly up to the sky.
Let's go and try that one, and then we'll have a nice big goodbye. I'd like to thank you for watching, and of course if you do like what you see, if you like a little bit of fun or a little bit of stupidity, please come back, hit the like, click subscribe, and you never know, we might make something one of these days that you might quite enjoy.
You think that it's easy, but when you come down from this equipment, you feel very dizzy. Honestly, you feel dizzy.
Right, stop whinging and get on with it. Go on, let's go. There we are. There we go.
Should I sing some?
Sing if you wish.
My bunny is over. My bunny is over the sea. My bunny is over the ocean. Oh, bring me my bunny to me.
Right, keep going. We're going for the rear end view. There we are. Let's have a look at that.
Look at this man.
He's having a laugh as well. He's thinking that's a very nice view indeed. Go on, put some effort into it. There we are. Absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching. And of course, if you do like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness.
I would like to say thank you again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're loving you to bits. And please stay together with us to see another of our madnesses.